Hi friends, in this video I will be installing MineMeld, Palo Alto product MineMeld on Ubuntu OS. MineMeld is a good product from Palo Alto. It's an open source product which takes in the uh, IP address feeds from various external sources. It then aggregates and it outputs it in a common format which can be used in Palo Alto Firewall as external dynamic lists, which can be used in security policies to allow or block the traffic. So a very good tool, nicely done. So I'll be installing the same on Ubuntu. I've already installed Ubuntu server 16.0.4. So I've given the link in description for installing that if you want to have a look. Let's jump in, and this is the Palo Alto link, official link, which we'll be using to install MineMeld. Okay, so let's get started. I'll be running the same commands which Palo Alto has given here, so I'll just copy this and paste it. This is the command which will upgrade this will do an upgrade of Ubuntu software, and it seems it is going to take some time. So I'll do one thing. I'll pause the video and resume it when it's done. Okay, it's done now. The upgradation has been completed. So let me grab the other commands from the Palo Alto page. Okay, so this is the next step. Yes, I want to do this. Yep. Okay, setting the IP tables. This is to enable the communication from and to MineMeld. IPv6 drop commands. This will basically drop the IPv6 traffic. So if you use IPv6 in your environment, you'll need to change these commands. Add the repo GPG key. Okay. Install the Nginx Redis. Okay, done. This is the actual command which will install MineMeld automatically on your Ubuntu. We don't need to download any MineMeld software or something like that. So just run this command and it will download it on its own. So again, it's going to take some time, so I will pause the video and come back. You can see that it is installing MineMeld version 0.9.70. Okay, so I did pause the video and come back. So it is done, the installation is done, and it will ask for a reboot now. So let's reboot it. Yeah, so my remote connection has been terminated. Let me open up command line and put a continuous ping on the Ubuntu IP so that we come to when it's back up. Should back up quickly. Yeah, so it seems it's up now. Okay, I did re-log in to the Ubuntu machine, and have also run this command to do a verification check, and I will run it again. So you see these 4 processes, they are in running state. They should be in running state, which indicates that it has been installed successfully. And so let me log in the GUI of MineMeld now. So oops, HTTPS and the MineMeld IP. It's loading up. There we go. The default credentials are username is admin and password is MineMeld. Okay, so this is the dashboard. We've got the dashboard, and as you can see, there are already some nodes pre-installed. So there are 4 miners, 1 processor, and 3 outputs already there in MineMeld, and by default, and there are also like 887 indicators which have been pulled up by the miners. So good thing, so you don't have to install any miners straight away. So let me go to nodes, and here we can see all the nodes predefined. I haven't added them, they have come by default. Okay, this is the graphical view it shows, and so okay, that's it guys. So I hope it has been useful, and thank you for watching.